Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your language on Gardenscape. If you are looking for a way to change your display language on Gardenscapes application, then here is how you can easily do it. First things first, make sure to open the Gardenscapes application on your device. And also make sure to log into your account. Once you are playing the game, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner, which will then open up this menu. From the menu, tap on the English option or the globe icon right next to your profile. You will then be able to choose from the available display languages from the list. Select one of the language and you have successfully changed your language on Gardenscape. Now even Austin will interact with you on a different chosen language of your choice. So that is how you can easily change your display language on Gardenscapes application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.